How to fix Instagram followers count isn't updating. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open App Store on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Then, make sure it is updated. For that, if the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it. And if it says open, you have the updated version of Instagram. Next, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then you need to scroll down a little bit and tap on General. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to tap on iPhone storage. After some time, the page will be loaded and then you want to go ahead and search for Instagram and then tap on it. As you do that, you will enter to this page where you want to tap on Offload app. By doing this, all the cache on Instagram will be deleted, or you can also delete the app and reinstall it from App Store. Then what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and open Instagram app on your phone. Then you want to go to your profile by tapping on the profile like option on the bottom right corner, tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on settings. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom and then you want to tap on help. Tap on report a problem, then tap on report a problem again, tap on include, then write what is wrong with your Instagram account. And after you're done writing, you want to tap on send. But before that, you can also include screenshot and upload the picture. After you're done, you want to tap on send. And that is how you can fix Instagram followers count isn't updating.